Who controls the political narrative at the moment, sa iyong opinion?
Of course, the executive.
Credibility or popularity?
Credibility.
What scares you the most, if any?
Kapag namayani ang kadiliman sa Pilipinas, delikado yon.
Why did you accept your position? Dahil ba sa naniniwala kay Presidente o dahil malaki ang sweldo?
At that time po kasi, Tito Boy, hindi ko gustong pumasok. Really. I had the script. We practice it. Ng anak ko, saka ng asawa ko na we will not accept. But when the President, talk to you, Claire, can you help the government? Yun lang po yung words na sinabi niya. Parang, sige po. Parang, the President was talking to you. Di ba, una starstruck. Tapos, hindi ko po inisip, Tito Boy, never in my life na inisip ko na makakatabi ko, makakausap ko ang Presidente ng Pilipinas. Hindi ko po talaga siya naisip.
Yes or no? Will you take a bullet for the President?
Yes,
Biggest misconception about Claire Castro?
mataray. Hindi naman ako mataray eh. Mukha lang.